Green Thumb Magic, transform your greenhouse today. Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a super exciting project that all you garden enthusiasts are going to love. We're talking about revamping your greenhouse, building it from scratch, and even getting into some succulent repotting and arrangement. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First things first, if you're thinking about building your own greenhouse, it's important to choose the right spot. You want a location that gets plenty of sunlight, but also has some natural protection from harsh winds. Remember, the more natural light your greenhouse gets, the happier your plants will be. Now, when it comes to building the structure, there are tons of options out there. From DIY kits that you can get online, like the ones I found on Country Living, to fully custom designs, there's something for every budget and skill level. These kits are great because they come with everything you need, and they're designed for easy assembly. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have your greenhouse up in no time. But what about the inside? That's where the real fun begins. Let's talk about arranging your greenhouse for maximum plant happiness. You'll want to organize your space so that each plant gets the amount of light it needs. Taller plants in the back, shorter ones in the front is usually a good rule of thumb. And if you're into succulents like I am, creating a dedicated succulent corner can be a beautiful highlight of your greenhouse. Repotting succulents is more than just a necessity. It's an opportunity to get creative. Choose pots that complement the colors of your succulents, and think about arranging them in patterns or gradients. When you repot, make sure to use a soil mix that drains well. Succulents love dry feet. And here's a pro tip. When arranging your plants, consider their watering needs. Group together plants that need more water, and those that prefer to stay drier. This way, you can water more efficiently and avoid over or underwatering any of your green buddies. Lastly, don't forget about the aesthetics. Adding some decorative stones, moss, or even small garden figurines can really elevate the look of your greenhouse. It's not just about growing plants, it's about creating a space that you'll love to spend time in. There you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating a greenhouse that is not only functional, but also a beautiful sanctuary for both you and your plants. Happy gardening, everyone! Pause to 5S. Now let's take it one step further. Imagine turning your greenhouse into a tranquil oasis where you can unwind and recharge. Here are some ideas to transform your greenhouse into a peaceful retreat. Start by adding some comfortable seating. A small bench or a couple of garden chairs can make a huge difference. You want a place where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor, literally. Consider adding some cushions and throws to make the space cozy and inviting. Next, think about the ambiance. String lights are a fantastic way to add a warm, inviting glow to your greenhouse. You can drape them along the ceiling or wrap them around the plants for a magical effect. Solar-powered options are great because they're eco-friendly and easy to install. Incorporating a small water feature can also enhance the relaxing atmosphere. The gentle sound of trickling water is incredibly soothing and can help mask any outside noise, making your greenhouse feel like a secluded sanctuary. A tabletop fountain or a small pond with aquatic plants can bring a touch of serenity. Don't forget about the scents. Adding fragrant plants like lavender, jasmine, or mint can create a delightful aroma that enhances the relaxing vibe. You can also use essential oil diffusers or scented candles to fill the space with calming scents. Finally, personal touches can make your greenhouse feel truly special. Add some artwork, wind chimes, or even a small bookshelf with your favorite gardening books. These little details can turn your greenhouse into a personalized retreat where you can escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. There you have it! With these simple additions, your greenhouse can become more than just a place for plants. It can be a haven for relaxation and creativity. So go ahead, create your own greenhouse oasis and enjoy the perfect blend of nature and tranquility. Thank you for watching Green Thumb Magic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on transforming your greenhouse. See you next time.